Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So a lot of work has gone into the car so far. I've already painted it, and right now I'm working on buffing it and basically cutting out all those little dirt nibs and the heavy orange peel and just making sure that the surface is good. So as I'm sanding all these little dirt nibs and the drip marks, it's leaving little deeper scratches than the sandpaper that I'm using. I'm using about 2000 grit, but it's leaving a lot deeper scratches where it's taking me a lot longer to buff out with a polisher. The DA polisher just didn't even cut it. I managed to basically get the haziness out when it was all turning all white and faded as I sanded it. But then once it's all clear, you can see all these deep scratches embedded in there. And I have to buff multiple times with compound to try to get those out and cut them out. And I don't want to burn the paint in any way, so I'm being careful, but it's taking a lot longer than I expected. And even after wiping the compound off, it leaves scratches all over the car. And I think, okay, well, maybe using a polish will polish those out because it's supposed to take out some minor little imperfections. But I do that, it looks good. Then as I wipe it, it leaves more scratches. I'm not sure if it's because the clear coat is just cheap or whatnot, but that's what's happening, and I'm going to basically take a break from all that buffing, and today I'm going to be working on the bumper bars. So as you notice, the bumper bars are pretty rusty. Let me show you real quick. So the bumper bars are quite rusty, you can see. I gotta clean up some of the stuff that I left on there, but what I'm going to do is just wash it down, and then I'm going to wire brush the whole thing, and then maybe wash it down again, and then add a coat of POR 15, a couple coats probably on it before I assemble it back onto the bumpers. But that should basically freshen these things up and it'll look a lot nicer. But the bumper bars always end up being rusty. I'm not expecting to remove the rust 100% because it's going to be rusty anyways, and there's no way of actually doing that unless I really sandblast the thing or I take my time wire brushing it. And I don't really want to spend a lot of time on this. Basically just make it look a little bit better. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Let's get to work.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you, I like to love you. If I may, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you.
All right, so while it's drying, I'm just going to spray it down with some wax and grease remover. Well, I'm going to blow it off with some compressed air. And I'm going to spray it down with some wax and grease remover to remove any of the remnants. So I did take apart the top bar, so there's probably going to be some grease hidden under here and some dirt. But I got most of it off from washing.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you, I like to love you, if I may.
All right, so that's the first coat. Looks pretty good. This is only on one side. I'm gonna have to wait until this side cures and then do the other side tomorrow or something like that, but so far so good. All right, so second coat is done now. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I have it kind of sitting on top of a couple of those brush sticks, and as long as it's not touching the cardboard. I've had experience where it dried right on the cardboard and it peeled off, but this is it. Just gonna wait until tomorrow, flip it over, and coat the other side.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you.
All right, so the first coat of the backside has been applied. So just gotta wait a little bit, like probably another 20 minutes or so. I'm gonna add another coat. I know I'm supposed to wait a lot longer as per the instructions, but should work fine. Now the cool thing is that SH3 on this OEM bumper bar shows up even after I've painted it. It looks like it's etched in there. So they'll still have that OEM stuff. I mean, all these stampings and everything still show through, but they will look brand spanking new after I'm done painting them. All right guys, so it's the next day. So I'm just gonna show you guys the bumper bars now. I've already reassembled them. So as you can see, these are the bumper bars here. They're all reassembled. The foams are just laying right next to them. I didn't want to put the foam on there because you can't see the finish. They actually look really good. Obviously it's not like perfectly smooth or anything because it was covering rust, but it is looking good. But anyways guys, that's basically it for this video. I still have to put these bumper bars back onto the bumpers, and then it would be pretty much ready to go back onto the car. But kind of waiting on that, still polishing bits and pieces on the car and wet sanding and all that stuff. So it's taking a little bit longer than expected. But anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I like to. I like to love you every day.